Meaning of existence.
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 Existence. Existence refers to the state or fact of being alive or present in the world. It encompasses all forms of life, from the smallest microorganisms to complex sentient beings like humans. The concept of existence is deeply connected to the notions of consciousness, identity, and purpose. It raises fundamental questions about the nature of reality and our place in it. Ultimately, the meaning of existence is a subjective one, shaped by individual perspectives and experiences. Nevertheless, it remains an essential and ongoing inquiry for philosophers, theologians, and scientists alike.